So we have a new partnership with BYD. Are we gonna have a new brand of electric vehicle that will have the best selling car for the next year? This is the most important question to ask for investor if you want to hold in a big picture. And I think this is will make NIO hold the current support and we might have a breakout soon. The other one, guys, we discussed the last time we said Mullen is bound to pump and squeeze early because it's undervalued. Some of you say Mullen, guys, is not good to invest. Yes, but we discuss here in the short term. So if you want to hold it for, let's say, 1 day, 2 days, yes, we can make profit. Then you sell it. We don't have to hold it like for 1 week, 2 weeks. So that's why we discuss even Mullen for opportunity to make money. We're gonna discuss the other pump, guys, because we discuss this reversal. We did almost 50%, guys. Before this reversal, we said we're gonna have a reversal from the $4.14, and of course we reverse. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button so you never miss the next update for Mullen price target. The other stock that we have to discuss is, of course, Tesla, the number one electric vehicle. Either you like it or not, this is the number one right now, the most strongest competition for NIO. Everybody say Tesla will kill the competition in the future. We'll see Elon Musk what we'll do with that in the future, because everything possible right now. NIO could actually change the game in the later future because we have partnership, we have some fundamental change right now from the last earning for NIO. So let's dive deeper and discuss, guys. First, Mullen, then we're gonna go back to NIO to discuss where the price will squeeze at and what we should do for this month of May. So Mullen, guys, reverse from our support, the $4.77 and the $4.11. So what we should plan right now, this one, as we said, guys, is pretty volatile. 4 million, yes, is less than NIO. NIO is 34 million, but 4 million, we jumped 50% in 1 day. So we might have another 50% as long as we hold the current support, which is over the $4.11, and the resistance that we might trigger another cover up for the short seller is around the $7.70. Let me just show you how much we can do here. We can do another 65%. NIO, Tesla combined, they can't do this kind of squeeze in a matter of 1 day. That's why we put Mullen here, guys, for not the faint hearted. So if you have a strong heart and you're not panicking if the price go up or down, Mullen for you, because it's pretty volatile. That's why we discuss it here. We diversify everything, guys. We don't focus on just the slow moving stocks or blue chip company. We focus on the stocks that have FDA approval, stock that might squeeze 200, even 1000%. We cut those kind of stocks in the beginning of this year. So if you want to have those kind of stocks and those kind of entry for those kind of stocks, you can of course you join us here on the pre-market live streaming that we do daily, guys, before the market open by 2 hours, and our exclusive community on Discord and Patreon. So where the price will go, as we said, for Mullen, the first target is the $9.80. Now let's go for Tesla, then we're gonna go to NIO. We saved the best for last. For Tesla, we don't have any activity, guys. After the earnings, we've got a really good jump for NIO, almost 40%. Now we have a bit of recovery, a bit of taking a breather, because usually when a stock jump like this, it needs a bit of relaxation and a bit of accumulation before another jump up. So we have to watch out for this resistance, everybody, around the 205 and the 200 in order to squeeze up toward the 228. The current support for Tesla is over the 159. Now, lastly, we have NIO, of course. NIO, everybody watching NIO, because we've got a nice reversal from the $3.30. We did almost 63% in a span of few days. So we might do another 60%, but will take a bit of time. This time, we need some kind of major news to confirm this squeeze, because this kind of jump for 60% is kind of depend on a catalyst. What does it mean? We need a good news fundamentally, really. For NIO, need some news. Even the stock that jumped 1,000, 2,000%, jump because a good catalyst, a good news. So that's why NIO need a bit of news in order to have volatility to break the $7 and the $6.30, guys. This is it for NIO. If we broke this, guys, this is will be the mother of all squeeze for this year, guys, for Mullen, for NIO, of course, to go toward the $8. Let me just show you how much we can do here if we squeeze from this resistance, almost 50%. Still, Mullen is way, way bigger, almost 60%, but we don't care. Profit is profit. For NIO, the realistic price target, once we jump, we have the 8 and the 950. Before the $10, this is psychological level, guys. Even if we jump from the 7, we have to test those two levels because always the short seller adding. The short seller didn't never cover right away because there's some level of the short seller adding their position. Sometimes they cover up. That's why they cover up from the $3.60. And now we need to make them cover up from above. This is how the squeeze will trigger. And of course, we're going to discuss everything for NIO, Mullen, and Tesla coming days on our live streaming. So join us, guys. The link in the comment section below. Of course, without a link, you can join us tomorrow. If you subscribe to our channel and hit all the notification, you're going to be notified tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open, for our live streaming, daily live streaming on our YouTube. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.